So now that we have both of the plan designs we need for our current dual option plan group, now it's time to go to the next part of the workflow. And to get there, we're going to come in and click on Finished Entering Current Plan Designs. And there's one at the top and one on the bottom. All right, so now that our current dual option is complete, we're going to go ahead and click on Finished Entering Current Plan Designs. All right, when we do that, we come to the next step in our workflow. All right, so let's just recap current. So the idea was we created our employer under prospects. We created our coverage periods using a separate date range for the current policies, a separate date range for the renewal. All right, we set up our enrollment types, and then we came to the dashboard. We changed the name of our plan group to change it to current dual choice, and then we built out each one of the individual plan designs in current, and now we've gone ahead and clicked Finish Entering Plan Designs. So from a workflow perspective, the idea is that we are now in what we call our goals and assumptions section. And the idea is, since we've got our current plan designs entered in, now we're going to give the plan designer two pieces of information, and it's going to let the plan designer automatically create some renewal plan groups for us as a shortcut. Now, one of the things we're going to see here in our goals and assumption is the idea of defined budget. All right, now this can be something we talk about process change that's probably new. All right, and the idea is that since we've have premium share as a part of all our plan designs and can get past total cost right down to the employer cost, now we can really look at that employer cost and where it needs to be as a separate event from whatever's happening with the renewal. All right, so for right now, we're going to leave our budget at the top, the default, maintain cost of current. So the default budget goal is always whatever the cost of their current is. All right, so we're saying our budget goal is the same as current or no increase. Now it's time to come down to our renewal premiums. All right, so for our renewal premiums, we're going to go ahead and enter in an estimated increase. Now, if we knew the actual renewal numbers and we're entering them in, we could click right on the blue. Notice how it's a blue link again, and we could enter the actual renewal premiums there. But we can also enter renewal premiums by using an estimate. So I'm going to go ahead and put in 15%. All right, it's going to automatically default the second plan to 15%. All right, so these premiums now are being generated by increasing the current premiums by 15%. All right, so estimated percentage can be a great shortcut, especially if we're in an off renewal midterm and want to be looking at different potential renewal scenarios. But the key here is we have our budget defined at maintain cost of current, and our renewal premium assumption is at a 15% increase for both plans. So now that we've set our budget goal and our renewal assumption, it's time to come to the lower right-hand corner and click Go to Plan Designs.